Okay, good evening, beautiful clients. Okay, ayan. I'm sorry, nandito ako ngayon sa kwarto. Sa room ko kasi pagod ako. Marami kaming clients today. Thank you so much, beautiful clients. Okay, I have a short tips for you to become successful. Okay, again, puro tayo successful ang ating usapan. Okay, for you to become successful, you need to get out of your comfort zone. Okay, comfort zone is always our killer place. Kasi dyan tayo nagpapahinga, dyan tayo, dyan tayo na i-stuck, dyan tayo nagkakaroon ng masyadong comfortably na buhay. Ayaw natin lumabas, ayaw nating mag-explore, ayaw nating makipagsalamuha sa mga bago, at ayaw nating ma-stress. So, if you want to become successful, one of my mostly recommended tips is you need to get out of your comfort zone. Ayan, explore, makipagsalamuha ng bago, at magsama-sama tayong yumaman. That's it. Bye!